Hello everybody, welcome back to Oscar Explains Trains. So you might be wondering why I'm on a miniature train in a forest right now. Well, I'm in Luxembourg, more specifically Esch, Alzette. And right now I'm riding a scale model of the old Luxembourgish tram system that ran in the 20th century and ended around 1964. It's basically just a small rideable train that you can sit in. And yes, it is a steam engine.
This is the brake.
Brake.
Yes, and the
throttle.
This is
Pumping water.
no, this is the valve here.
Oh.
And direction and transmission. There are two ejectors, the water pump, and the blower that are running.
Nice. There's a train leaving. It's a replica of a CFL, the Luxembourgish railway system freight train from the 1970s, I think. I find miniature trains so fascinating because, I mean, look at it. It's like a miniature replica of a huge train. It's really cool. And I like how it's here in Luxembourg, like, because there's so much transportation stuff here that's really cool. Running from trams to buses to trains. It's incredible. So it's really cool how they have a replica of trains here. And I love trains. It's why my YouTube channel is called that, Oscar Explains Trains, which don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm about to drive this scale model of a Luxembourgish tram from the 1960s. Driving a train. Thank you for watching Oscar Explains Trains. See you in my next video. Bye!